So these candles, their heights are equal. Okay, you can observe.
Yes, sir.
But you can also see the thickness is different. Now what will happen if the thickness is different? Obviously this will burn off faster and this will take time. And the question also is based on that. So this is very nice question, competency based question. It will help you improve your thinking, critical thinking. So if it was in your exam, could you do it?
No, sir.
So let's solve it. So they said how much it will take? The first burns off in 6 hours. So this takes 6 hours. And the second takes 8 hours. 8 hours. Now here is the interesting part. How long after lighting both will the first candle be half of the height of the second? Means the first candle will be this here, like let's say after that particular time. Then the second will be here, double of that height, second candle. Okay. Let's say in time t, this part gets burns off. Okay. So let's say this part is x. So burnt part is x and this part is 1 minus x.
But how?
Okay, one more time I'm telling. Let's say in time t, this much part gets burned off. And let's say that is x. So it will be x. And this remaining part will be 1 minus x.
Oh.
Keep these things in your mind. Second, here also in time t, let's say this part gets burned off. And let's say this is y. Okay, in time t. So time t. So remaining part, this part will be 1 minus y because we consider the height of the candle as 1 unit because both are of the same height. Now as per the condition given in the question, this 1 minus y is this part and 1 minus x is this part. Okay, and those are what? This is half of this part. So while keeping that data in mind, let's use it. So as per the information we got, 1 minus x is the remaining height of candle 1 and 1 minus y is the remaining height of candle 2 and candle 1 is half of candle 2. So 1 minus x equal to half of candle 2, that's 1 minus y. This is the information. Based on that we find the answer.
Yes, sir.
First we find out its rate of burning. So for candle 1, C1, rate of burning equal to 1 by 6. Okay, because one candle burned in 6 hours. Therefore, its burning in time t will be in time t. It will burn x equal to time into the rate. So t into 1 by 6, or we can say x equal to t by 6. Similarly for candle 2, so it was 1 by 8. So for C2, rate of burning equal to 1 by 8, and in time t, y equal to t by 8. Okay, like t into the rate, so that's how it will become t by 8. Okay, so we got x value and we got y value. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is the equation we have to use. So let's write down that equation. 1 minus x equal to 1 by 2, 1 minus y. Now 2 will go that side, we get 2 minus 2x equal to 1 minus y. X and y value we have, so let's put those values. So it will become 2 minus 2. What is x value? T. So 2 into t by 6 equal to y. So 1 minus y, what is y value? T by 8. So I will move 1 this side and 2t by 6 that side, and we'll get 2 minus 1 equal to this part, it will become 2t by 6 minus t by 8. Now 8 and 6 are different, so let's take their LCM. So let's take LCM as 24, 6 4 ja into 4, 8 3 ja and into 3, and here it will be 1 equal to 4 2 ja 8, so 8t minus 3t and whole by 24. 24 will go that side and we get 24 equal to 8 minus 3 5t, and here is the answer. But this is not the final answer, so let's finalize it. 24 by 5 equal to the time, and that will be 4.8 hours equal to t, and that's the answer.
That's so cool!
4.8 hours. That's the answer. Now, if you have to mention in the minute, will you write down 4 or 8 minutes? Wrong.
Whoa!
It will be 4 hours. And since an hour is 60 minutes, so 0.8 into 60. And that will be roughly 48. Yes, 48. So 4 or 48 minutes. And that's the answer.
Wow!
By the way, friends, if you forget to subscribe Best Classes channel, then you can search on YouTube at bestclasses.pandesar. Till the next time, Bharat Mata Ki Jai and best of study. And don't forget the famous phrase of Pandesar: push past your limits.